take this. Can you bring, because this fire extension, which type of fire extension is there? This one is which fire extinguisher? Tell me, which type of fire extinguisher? What is this? COD, carbon dioxide. Okay, this fire extinguisher have a different sign. See, this one is hose also different because this one is from here. Small, don't look from here. Maybe release from somewhere. Then after that you are going. And this side is hose is big. This side is small because this one is coming gas. There is nothing. Only
Yes.
CO2.
Yes, sir. CO2.
We can put to apply to there in electricity. This is CO2 fire extinguisher. And you can see there's a black sign, this one. And which, how many times we can use to this? This is a clearly mentioned there. Where we can put electricity. And what is the other one? Gasoline. Checked. What is this? Heat media. Okay. This type of fire extinguisher we can use. And also same method we use to there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How we use? Pull the pen. Squeeze the handle. Shift side to side. Okay. And bottom of fire. Bottom of the aim. Bottom of the fire. Leave it there. Get the other fire extinguisher. Leave it there. Next. Who is the water type of fire extinguisher? Bring here. The other fire extinguisher. Nobody is here. Bring the other fire extinguisher. Okay, I'm doing this because I know. But let me know. This one is C. This one, you are from? You are?
Portable fire.
Yes, portable. This one is chemical. Draw chemical powder. Okay. This one A, B, C, and D. Temporarily we can use to there. Leave to there, please. Lift to there. And check how we check this. Hose, screws, these are things we apply to there. Okay. Check the hole, check the gauge, everything. This one is well. Everything is well. Gauge and everything. Check to this. For which one we can use? Raw chemical powder. There is a written the type. The type.
Dry powder.
Then we apply. This mark will get it. Okay. What are you doing? Opening the pen?
No, sir. Check.
Check only.
This one is used for all.
Yes, all type of fire, but mostly in our car. Or this one is portable fire extension for
Car.
vehicle. This one I taken from my car. Okay. This fire extension always available inside the car under the seat. We keep to there or side also near to door visible place. We give to this fire extension. Immediate we stop the fire. It's a small fire. We apply to there. This is a small fire extinguisher for the vehicle in the car. Check the gauge and everything. Or this one as well. Or some pressures, everything is there. Then we can apply to this type of fire extinguisher. We check the expiry date, everything. And for the fire, the hose type, the water type of fire extension, we keep to some fire extension which one have a water only. Okay. And the water, and sometimes we have some fire extension which one is big one, near to transformer, near to airport, and that area big fire extension we require. And that big fire extinguisher directly we cannot take. This is not portable. This one have a wheel under that. This one is hanging at the wheel bottom. Okay. There is a wheel we take and put to this one, big wheel also there. And that one is fire extension. When we take to there is a hose. And we hold that fire extension from clip. Hold like this and then skew and put to this. Draw chemical powder to there or water and everything. Which type of small fire extension, same type of fire extension, big one. But which area we have a big transformer and oil tanker, big thing. That area we cannot apply to this small fire extinguisher. For that purpose, we use to that one. And today, you are lucky, inshallah, you are going to apply that big fire extinguisher. Small one, you apply there in the road, in the ground. And now, you have a chance to check the big fire extinguisher, how you apply to the big fire extinguisher to there with the hose. Okay, this one also we are showing to you now. And for this purpose, we are starting a fire there and we are assigning a 2%. One is a fire watchman who is the responsible if the fire extends too much. Then he immediately stop in that fire because this is a training purpose. If the fire starts big one or maybe somebody they fell down to there or something, maybe fire can occur there. For this purpose, we be ready. For the training purpose, so one person is a during the training, we need the fire watchman. The other person who is starting a fire there, fireman. The fireman always trying to continue the fire. How continue? Because the people apply a fire extinguisher, then fire, then finish. Okay. Again, he have that stop with the cotton. Again, he ignite to that fire, that material which one is start the fire. Again, apply the fire extinguisher. Again, he removed. Again, he start again. But then one person is responsible for fire control. We assign to Mr. Yes. What's your good name, please? Mr. Tayyib. He is the responsible to fire watchman. He try to extend the fire. He's not if the fire is accidentally if the increase he stop because we allow to have one fire extinguisher. He take always keep with himself. If the case of emergency, he can apply to there. Okay. This one, otherwise we can see this big one, there is that one, which one today you taken there in the road. That fire extension, the refilling charges is 900 only. Okay? But this one is if we are saving somebody or some fire, this is not too much cost. Okay? This is small cost, 900 nothing. But we save the human being, save the plot, save the house, save our neighbor, friends. By this reason, this is not big price. This small one, you see this one is 400 only, refilling charges. Okay? And also they are taking from here, they are returning that here. This is not big amount. Okay? This is what training we are refilling every class, all class. Previous class also we refill. In this class also we are going to utilize to these are fire extinguishers. This is our training purpose. We must be applied properly. But be ready. You already learned this one, how you use they pull the pen, then after that. If the case of accident, if there is fire start, we cannot control, then you apply to this. If this fire is under control, no need to apply this. Okay, this is a training. But we keep mind, don't wait for the instruction. If the fire is big, we cannot control. Don't wait for somebody is giving instruction. You are responsible to do this. If the real case. And the other thing, CO2 also keeping you with you, but there is no electricity fire. We are only now applying to combustible material, wood or paper, and these things, cotton like
Plastic.
this, plastic like this. And that fire we can control by the A type of fire.
Airtight.
A type of fire or dry chemical powder, both. We can apply there. And now you check how we control the dry chemical powder temporarily. When we extend that fire, use the extinguisher, fire finish. But after 1 minute you wait to the again start that fire. But if you apply their water, then finish. Again, this one cannot start because that material is wet. Okay? At that time, finish. That fire again cannot start because that one is proper protection for that fire. Fire hose, water hose. When we apply to their water, and there are several fire extinguishers first. Now we have other type of fire extinguisher. Same I'm showing to you. We have a fire extinguisher line. Now in new, also this is not a new, lot of times they also make to this type of fire extinguisher. Same like ball. Okay? 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, like this. Same fire extinguisher, same like this ball. And sometimes inside it we have a fire. No need to pull the pin or nothing. Only take this ball, throw there. Immediate fire, stop. Because this one is have a heat sensor there. If the heat goes to that ball, immediately this one is blast and then after that fire stop. But there is some hazards. Which one? For example, there is a one people or some people are there inside. Okay, you throw this ball. When this one is blast also, there is a coming piece or pressure. Then people also affected by it. Okay, there is some positive, but some area, if you cannot enter with your, that area is very far or too much heat. Okay, from far you throw this ball. Okay, this ball is entered with there, then fire stop. This is a positive. But what is the negative?
Something big.
Yeah.
Cause effect on people.
Yeah, like that. And this type of also we are using some, same like ball. That one, there is written fire extinguisher, that one, but ball type. The other important thing, always in the plant, we are using to fire hydrant. What do you use? Fire hydrant. Hydro, what is hydro? What? Fire hydrant. Then we are applying to their pipe, which pipe we keep to there in the all 50 feet. We have a one, there is also hose,
Yes, sir.
and we keep to there. If there is a fire, we take full and then after apply to that water
Yes, sir.
College.
in the plant in the lot of area. Okay. The water hose. Mostly you see in the plant or some chemical area, this type of fire hydrant. Okay. Some small fire hydrant in the building we are applying. But some area in the city, for example, in the Haveliya city, you can go to there also. We have a lot of area in Guma. You can find there 200 meter, all 200 meters, there is a big pipe,
Yes, sir.
big one. In the plant also, they have a big pipe, big hose. They fix to that hose, and when they fix, open the wall, immediately, automatically they start the water. And then after that, you apply to this water to fire. There's a big pressure, there's a proper hose. The people they are trained, they can use to that fire extinguisher. And that method also I'm showing to you how they can use. For example, one person, there is a firefighter 1, firefighter 2. Firefighter 1,
Firefighter 2.
who is the first person who is standing in the front, that one is firefighter 1.
Yes, sir.
The one person who is behind
Back.
to him, he is holding their
Back and
Shoulder.
shoulders.
and keep to this and put in the leg inside. Then after that, both people they are holding two hose, and then after they are going same foot they are taking two outside here like this. Both foot same. And then after that they can control to this one because this hose have too much pressure.
Yes, sir.
Then they open to that. If there is one person, maybe the person fell down, and then after that this hose also killed to that person.
Yes, sir.
But this purpose we are using a 2%. Hold this hole. Keep to the foot yeah, inside. Yeah. Hold this hole. Yeah. And then after put the force here. Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean? Take foot with my foot. You're not looking at it. Like this. We can move from there. Okay. And this is a way to use to fire hurdle. And the other, which one I talk with you, that one is hose, and then after that, there's a gas, a pressure, a CO2 or something, the big fire extinguisher, which one we apply to there in the big side, or big container, fuel tanker like this. At that area, we use to this type of fire hurdle also. I assign to people who is what is your duty? You are a fire watchman, and you are going to reduce the fire. And who is the fireman? Who is starting the fire? Who? He is the fire watchman. He is starting a fire. Okay, come, start the fire. Come. Now, he is the responsible to ignite a fire. Ignite a fire. He is going to ignite the fire. He is starting a fire. And prepare yourself to one stove with the cotton, and then after that, ignite the fire there. Collect the some wood, okay, papers, and these all things. When these all things is ready, then I'm showing to you we are using some proper material. Which one is we apply to their interior. This is not a joke. This is a firefighting. Everything we are doing a practical.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this practical we are applying to their water. We are applying to their raw chemical powder. Everything. Okay,
Yes.
we are preparing now. Please
Stop.
wait for our this process.
Yes, sir.
कोई समझ आइए क्या करना है?
Yes, sir.